And may I also request the good resource speaker about our discussion several days ago, his proposal for us to pass an ordinance. Ako, Eric, i-propose mo ang ordinance ako para i-share at least. Kaya po yung mga Mr. Jen, pwede parking yung problema tayo. Kung ang batik po na ito, masisinan ito, parking, 150 pesos. Kaya po ibang pangato, ito yung dana. The justification of the resource speaker, Mr. Jen, hindi ka no dakkel, hindi 2022 ba yun? Na nga to, awang ka no matiltili, when 1.5 sa hindi mo, di ba? Ano ka din, 1,000? 1,000. Awang ka naman titili with pamatalyo ulit, hindi mo motorist, 1,000. Hindi pababa ni, nagbaling ako 50. Ang re-repet ni Apo bumagat, yan nga, nakantadro ti natangkin ti ulo da, atawat is 150 pesos to many individuals. So, that is something that I wish the chair of the Committee on Transportation. Actually, Jason, it's a good thing that you brought this up because we endorsed the traffic and order code of our city last July 2025. So, ako simply take note of the endorsement regarding the increase of illegal parking. Tapno na-endorse kay Gato JC. Maybe during 500 lata, mga 1,000. Yes, ano? Ako, JW. Yeah, Mr. Chairman, it's very timely that you reminded the about the traffic code. Actually, I had a conversation with Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Chair. He also convened a meeting between us, the Sangguniang Panlungsod, and with the Panlungsod, sorry. But with the Panlungsod and the PNP, and with the planning, Mr. Chair, so that we really can tackle about traffic rules and etc. So, being the public care of transportation of this schedule, and we will automatic that we will support you. Thank you, Mr.